Let's create a real-time assessment. There are a lot of features, so let's go step by step. Click on Real Time. Here you'll see the assessments that you've already created. You can duplicate the assessment, edit it, or delete it. And if you've deleted them, you'll find them in this option. Click here to restore a deleted assessment, or to delete permanently, click on the trash icon. The Instructions button shows you step by step, in case you need guidance. The Results button shows you the results of assessments that were completed. Click here to add new quiz. First, you will add a title for your assessment here. Now let's create our first set of questions. Set the timer for the first set of questions. So for this set, we will add a timer to 3 minutes. We have 5 different question types. All of these question types are auto-graded except for the short answer question, which you will need to manually grade by just enabling an option to give them the mark, or not. So now, if I click on the multiple choice option, I'll add my question in this box, and how many points I'd like to assign for this question, and add the correct answer in one of these options. So for example, if I put A, B, C, and the correct answer is B, I'll select it. I can upload an image as well. If I'd like more options, I can click on Add Answer. And if I'd like to give an explanation, I can add it in here, in this box. If I'd like to add another question, I can add another multiple choice question, or just choose another question type. I will add my question here, select the correct answer, give an explanation, add how many points you'd like to assign for this question. Again, you could upload a picture. Now, if I'd like to create another set, click on Add New Set. Click on the arrow and set the timer for this set of questions. So let's select Dropdown. I'll add my question here. Give the points and put the options for the dropdown and select the correct answer. For short answer, you can have the student provide you with one correct answer. Add the question and the points. Remember this question type, you will be marking it manually. Now that I'm done creating the assessment question, I can add an exit ticket. Add your question. Maybe something like, was this difficult? If needed, you can add another exit ticket question and then click Submit. Now click Save and Exit. That's it, you're done.